Net is a versatile, open-source developer platform created by Microsoft, designed to build a wide range of applications, from web and mobile apps to desktop, cloud, gaming, and IoT solutions. It consists of a runtime environment, libraries, and tools that streamline the development process. At its core is the Common Language Runtime, which executes applications and manages important tasks like memory management, security, and error handling. Alongside the CLR, Net provides the Framework class library, offering pre-built code for common functionalities, such as file I/O, database access, networking, and more, reducing the need to write code from scratch. Net supports multiple programming languages, including C#, F#, and Visual Basic, giving developers the flexibility to choose based on their project needs or preferences. Its cross-platform capabilities, introduced with Net Core, allow applications to run seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This makes it an ideal choice for developers targeting diverse environments. Additionally, Net is designed for high performance and scalability. It integrates well with modern software practices like containerization, microservices architecture, and cloud-native development. Popular frameworks within the Net ecosystem, such as ASP.NET for web applications and Blazor for web UIs, expand its functionality and usability. Whether you're building a small personal project or a large-scale enterprise system, Net provides the tools, frameworks, and runtime needed to create robust, efficient, and maintainable software solutions.